Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Red Dead Redemption 2 with a PlayStation 5 controller on PC. First, you have two primary options for connecting your DualSense controller. You can use a USB-C cable for a direct wired connection, which also charges the controller. Or, for wireless freedom, enable Bluetooth on your PC and pair the controller. Hold the PlayStation button and create buttons simultaneously until the light bar flashes. Then select it from your PC's Bluetooth devices. Once connected, your PC needs to properly recognize the DualSense. The most reliable method is through Steam. Launch Steam and add Red Dead Redemption 2 to your library. Then, enter Steam's Big Picture mode, which offers a full-screen interface optimized for controllers. Navigate to controller settings and ensure PlayStation configuration support is enabled. This allows Steam to translate your DualSense inputs for the game, providing a seamless experience. With your controller recognized, it is time to fine-tune your in-game experience. Launch Red Dead Redemption 2 and head into the Settings menu, then select the Controls section. Here, you will find options specifically for controllers. Choose the controller preset to apply the recommended button layout. Feel free to adjust aiming sensitivity, look acceleration, and dead zones to match your personal preference, ensuring precise and comfortable gameplay. To maintain a smooth experience, remember a few best practices. Always keep your DualSense controller's firmware updated. This ensures the best compatibility with your PC and games. If you encounter any unexpected behavior, a quick restart of Steam or your entire PC often resolves minor glitches. Finally, if playing wirelessly, keep an eye on your controller's battery life to avoid interruptions during critical moments in the vast world of Red Dead Redemption 2.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.